Heaven whispered, do not fear, our Savior's coming, He is near.
Light the candle, let it glow through the winter, through the snow. One by one the shadows flee as Christ is born to set us free.
Angels sing, the sky awake, peace on earth for Jesus' sake. Every heart now lay down war, love has opened heaven's door.
Light the candle, let it glow through the winter, through the snow. One by one the shadows flee as Christ is born to set us free. Hear the children laugh and sing at the news the angels bring. Joy like fire warms the soul. God with us now makes us whole.
Love came down in a humble train, born as a child on Christmas Day. From heaven's throne to manger small, Jesus our Savior, Lord of